Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of leverage without any risk of liquidation. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, I know the leverage is very risky and all that stuff. You can, simply lose your money and everything can happen when you're trading derivatives and all that good stuff. But in this video, I want to show you how exactly you can avoid liquidation and make a lot of money with leverage. And of course, I'm going to show you a strategy that we can apply, for you to avoid this liquidation and all that good stuff. If you've been getting liquidated, then this video is for you, because by the end of this video, you're going to know how exactly you are going to avoid liquidation and you're never going to lose money again if you're trading derivatives and all that. So guys, this strategy works. It doesn't really matter whether you're an advanced crypto trader or a beginner, but by the end of this video, you are gonna trick this market and make a lot of money with leverage trading. So guys, we're gonna be trading on CoinW, because on CoinW they have leverage tokens. So leverage tokens expose you to volatility of this market, right? So I'll show you what I mean by that. So if you want to trade leverage token, you can just go to where it's an ETF magnified returns with zero risk of liquidation. So these are leverage tokens that were multiplied by 3x, and some of them were multiplied by 6x. So meaning that once you buy this coin, it's like you have a position that is multiplied by 3x. You know what I mean? So basically, we're just gonna go through all these coins and then I'm gonna explain to you the strategy that I apply to take advantage of these leverage tokens. So you're gonna go to where it's written markets right there and go to where it's written ETF. Okay, so under ETF, you're gonna find all these leverage tokens and all that good stuff. And this is the reason why I've been taking advantage of these leverage tokens during this volatile market. You already know that there's a lot going on in this market and the world can dump and pump these coins and stuff like that. And this is the reason why I have been avoiding trading derivatives. So I would rather trade these leverage tokens to protect my assets and my capital. You know what I mean? So basically right now they've got like bunch of leverage tokens. As you can see right here, we have got Ethereum long. So this is Ethereum 3x. It means that it has been multiplied by 3x and is long Ethereum. So this coin increased in value when the price of Ethereum is going up. As you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin has been going up and the price of Ethereum has been going up as well. If I go to Ethereum chart like this one right here, you can see that Ethereum has been going up and it has only gone up by 2%, but the leverage token has gone up by 11%. You know what I mean? So this one is multiplied by 3x, and all you have to do is to buy this coin, and then when the price of Ethereum goes up, or any price of a coin that you buy goes up, you're probably gonna make easy money. You know what I mean? So I'll show you a strategy that you can apply on your charts for you to take advantage of these leverage tokens. So we also got like Ethereum 3S, and this is a short token. You know what I mean? So this one increases in value when the price of Ethereum is going down, like right here, right? If the price of Ethereum goes down like this coin increases in value, because this is Ethereum short leverage token, which is multiplied by 3x. And this one increases in value when the price of Ethereum is going up, because it is Ethereum long leverage token that is multiplied by 3. So you can see that we have got a bunch of these leverage tokens. We have got Doji, we have got Luna, the FTT, you know what I mean? So the trick is, like, you need to know when exactly you should be buying and when exactly you should be selling. So for example, this is Ethereum coin, right? Is ETH that is multiplied by 3x, you know what I mean? So you need to know when exactly you should buy it and when exactly you should sell it. So for me, I use these tools called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and this is a tool that helps me to find when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. As you can see, when the price is going down, this indicator gives me a sell signal, and when the price is going up, it also gives me a buy signal. Right? I mean, so right now I've got this buying signal right now. As you can see, the price of Ethereum keeps on going up right here. And guys, it's not only about buying and selling and stuff like that. There's a lot going on. You can see that it also has this borderline, right? So this line indicates support and resistance. So right now I've got support and it's green, and we have got a buy signal, and the price of Ethereum is going up. So you know what I mean? Like, you can just apply the same strategy. When it says buy, that's when you can go to Ethereum leverage token, and then you buy a long leverage token. And then when it says sell, you go to Ethereum sell leverage token that increases in price when the price of Ethereum is going down. So basically when it says sell, it means that the price will go down, and when it says buy, it means that the price will go up. Just like what happened right here. You can see that it says buy and the price went up. Right here it says sell, the price goes down, and the volatility doesn't really matter because it works in real time. So right now I've got a buying signal. You can see that Ethereum keeps on going up. Maybe we should expect approximately like 12% to the upside because it's the new all-time high. So let's say 12% increase to the upside. How much this leverage token can give us? So we're just gonna click right there, and then we're gonna also see the price and the charts of this leverage token. So I'm just gonna agree, and let's see how much we're gonna make if the price of Ethereum goes back to the new all-time highs. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna click for our candle. So as you can see, the all-time high is all the way right here at 0.12 or 0.12. So let's measure, let's see how much we're gonna get, right? So you can see that from the current price to the upside, we're gonna get approximately 63% to the upside. If you buy the Ethereum coin itself, you're only gonna make 12%. You know what I mean? But if you buy the long leverage token on CoinW, and the link to CoinW is gonna be in the description below as well, you're gonna get 63%. So this is the reason why I recommend everyone to buy leverage tokens instead of buying these coins, because like with leverage tokens, you're exposed to volatility and you make money. By buying leverage tokens, you're not gonna get liquidated as well. So guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel, and don't forget to hit me up on Telegram or join our Telegram group and all that good stuff, because I'll be updating you guys when it comes to trading and everything and stuff like that. And right now I'm in other positions. I'm trading derivatives on Bybit, and the link to Bybit is also going to be in the description below as well. But this is how exactly you do it. So guys, if you want to take this trading game to another level, then I recommend you guys to go to Heavy Crypto University, heavycryptouniversity.online. So at heavycryptouniversity.online is where exactly you can learn pretty much anything. And if you want this indicator that I was using, which is called Heavy Crypto Indicator, you can also find it at heavycryptouniversity.online, and the link to this indicator is also going to be in the description below as well. But once you go to heavycryptouniversity.online, you can just scroll down. And get the indicators, which is called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and you're gonna get all the 3 indicators, and these indicators gonna help you to take advantage of these leverage tokens, including derivatives and everything for the rest of your trading career. So the link to these indicators is gonna be in the description below as well. And if you wanna book me for one-on-one, you can also book me using this link, Heavy Crypto University.online, and you can book me for one-on-one for 1 week, and I'll be mentoring you every day for 1 week, and by the end of the program, you're gonna be a successful trader and professional trader. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're helping the channel. It's your boy Heavy Crypto, and on this channel I make videos that are good for your pocket. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I send the video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.